10 features of Hyundai Alcazar not offered on Tata Safari and MG Hector Plus. Here we have listed the top 10 features offered on Hyundai Alcazar that are better than its rivals or not available on them. Hyundai Alcazar was launched in India just a few days ago and it has already managed to generate a lot of buzz in our market. It is essentially a long wheelbase 3-row version of the Creta and it competes with Tata Safari, MG Hector Plus and the soon to be replaced XUV 500. The new Hyundai SUV comes loaded with a lot of features and equipment, some of which are segment first or segment best. Here, take a look at the top 10 features available on the Alcazar over the Tata Safari and the MG Hector Plus. The first one is fully digital instrument cluster. Hyundai Alcazar gets a 10.25-inch multi-screen digital instrument console which is best in its segment. In comparison, Tata Safari gets a 7-inch MID with an analog speedometer, while MG Hector Plus gets a 7-inch MID between two analog dials. Paddle shifters. All the automatic variants of the Hyundai Alcazar get paddle shifters as standard, which makes the driving experience a little more fun and engaging. Driving modes and traction control modes are available alongside it. 360-degree surround view. Hyundai Alcazar gets 360-degree camera as well, which makes monitoring the surroundings easy. Such a system is also available on MG Hector Plus but not on Tata Safari. Blind spot monitor. Blind view monitor essentially uses camera mounted at the sides of the car to check surroundings when changing lanes. When a turn indicator is engaged, the camera on that side displays the feed into the infotainment screen, allowing drivers to be better aware of their surroundings. Air purifier with AQI display. Hyundai Alcazar comes with an integrated air purifier which gets an air quantity index display as well. Second row headrest cushions. On the platinum trim and above, the Alcazar gets additional cushions for the second row seats. Seatback folding tables. Behind both first row seats, the SUV gets folding tables which get retractable cup holders and tablet smartphone holder. 64 color ambient lighting. While both Tata Safari and MG Hector Plus offer ambient lighting, while Hyundai takes it a deep step further by following a step-in-class 64 color ambient lighting system. Second row center console 6-seater. The 6-seater version of Hyundai Alcazar comes with captain chairs in the second row. In between the second row seats, there is a center console which gets an integrated armrest, cup holders and additional storage space. The center console is now available on the 7-seater wireless smartphone charger. The rear center console on the 6-seater version of the Alcazar also comes with a wireless smartphone charger. Here are the top 10 features offered on the Hyundai Alcazar that are better than its rivals or not available on them. So we hope that you love our video. For such amazing videos, do subscribe our YouTube channel, that is His Garage.